Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up Sellfy store. So first head over to sellfy.com, and to get started, we need to create a new account. Start by clicking on the Start Free Trial button, and here you have options to create your account by filling out these fields, or you can also sign up with your Google account. Now from here, choose what product do you want to sell, then click on Next. And here you can also categorize your products. Just choose categories, then click on next. Next is customize how your store will look like. Start by choosing a theme color and add in a name for your store. You can also upload photo or profile picture, and you can also customize the store link and social links. Then click on the done button. So once your account or store is successfully created, you can now start adding your product. Just click on the Add New Product button and basically add in details about your product. And in your homepage, you can basically see the steps that you need to go through for you to be able to finalize setting up your account. And of course, that includes adding your products, customizing your store, connecting payments, set up store details, and selecting your plan. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!